Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are absolutely transforming this staircase for this customer here. When we arrived at the property, they had carpet below, above, and on the stairs. It was quite old. And when we came back to actually do this installation, there was already such a transformation from the vinyl flooring being installed below the stairs and above the stairs. And we just couldn't wait to get started on this. The customers chose to repurpose the posts and the railing itself. You can see here that it has been stayed a dark brown color. And so because that is still in place, that first stair nosing, we are creating on site to be able to install it around that post. But after that, we are coming in with our custom made stair nosings. These are made out of the vinyl plank flooring that the customer provided. So it's the exact same material that is above or below the stairs. It will wear the same, and it just makes an absolute beautiful finish here. These are open stairs. You can see they're open on the one side. So all of the spindles were removed. We're doing the installation, and then we will be putting on some new, more modern black spindles along the way. You can see here that the customer has opted to go with a white riser. This is the aesthetic that they are looking for. Very, very popular right now. We get requests for this all the time. The one thing I do want to note is that you will see here, we are not just painting the MDF or the wood that is in the riser location. We are adding a riser here. There's a few different reasons for that. The first one is for this installation process. You will notice we go from the bottom to the top, and we do always get comments about that. But in the order that we go from the bottom to the top, you can see that the riser does sit on top of the stair nosing after it is installed. This allows for a perfect edging that is on the riser to be along the back of that stair nose and gives us a really nice clean finish. And then that lip, when it is installed, will come over the top part of the riser. So that's one of the reasons that we do want to make sure that we are installing a riser, whether it is the same vinyl plank flooring or it is a white riser. The second reason is that we don't actually want to just have a painted surface for a riser. Even in homes where people take off their shoes, risers do have a lot of contact and do get quite dirty quite quickly, especially white ones. So when you do paint them, even if you go with a semi-gloss or a gloss paint, you do end up taking the finish of that paint off pretty quickly with the cleaning that you're going to have to be doing on those white risers. So this product that we use here, it has a manufactured finish on it that is much easier to clean, to wipe down with a wet cloth, and will last a lot longer with that beautiful consistent finish than a paint would. So those are the reasons why we go about it the way that we do. You'll see our installer here working their way up. Some of these risers, we are putting screws at the top. That is to help get a flush finish at the bottom. If you hit that subscribe button and check out our channel, we do have lots of tutorial videos that explain exactly why we do all of these things and show you how to do it yourself at home. So if you wanted to just purchase the nosings from us, you would be able to do that installation yourself. Or if you are doing other DIYs around your home, installing other products, you can get those tips and tricks to make it a lot easier for you from our installers who have been doing this for quite some time now. We also have lots of information videos that go over how to choose vinyl plank flooring, whether you're planning to put it on your stairs or not. We know there's a lot of jargon and terminology that is involved in purchasing vinyl, and we just want to make that a lot easier for you. Know what matters, what's worth the price, and what isn't. So we'd really love it if you check out the channel, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you'll be able to find what you're looking for. And if there's any other advice that you'd like us to do or videos you'd like us to make, please feel free to throw them down in the comment section below. If you're interested in having us make some vinyl nosings for you, whether it's for open or closed stairs or an interesting shaped staircase, please check out our website at stepupvinyl.ca. You'll see lots of information, frequently asked questions, videos, customer testimonies, as well as how to get in contact with us. We are located in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada, but we do service a number of different areas and have partners. We're always growing our network, so please reach out if you're interested and we can see if we would be able to help you out. Like I said, we can make the nosings for you and you can go ahead with your installations, or we can come on in and do the whole job for you. You can see our installer there doing their unique little walk, knowing that these stairs are still wet. They've just been installed, and we want to make sure they are not shifting out of place. And believe it or not, we even have videos on how to do that. So there really is absolutely anything and everything that you would want to find in that comment section. So we are getting close to the top. At this point, the customer was so excited. You'll notice the videos are starting and stopping because the customers were in and out to see the progress as they went. And of course, for their privacy, we want to remove them here, but finishing it off and getting to the top here. All right, and now it's time for that transformation. This was the staircase starting at the top. At the beginning, you can see the old-fashioned white painted spindles. The vinyl they did install at the top, but we still had the carpet on the stairs there. And then there is our finished product with the new spindles in place. Those open stairs made out of that exact same vinyl plank flooring for an absolutely stunning finish. Total transformation, much more modern aesthetic. Look at the before and the after. It's like a totally different home. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.